here these beautiful outdoor waterproof pillow covers. They are covers. You have to install the insert, and this is a set of 2. They clock in at 16 by 16, which is going to be perfect on my porch. But right out of the package, they are lightweight, but definitely sturdy. The classic navy and blue stripes give it an instant coastal charm. Definitely something you see at like a boutique beach resort. They're simple, but they are polished. Why I like these? They're rather weather ready. So this is a polyester fabric. It is soft, yet it has the canvas-like texture. So when it sits on the porch, it is going to resist the splashes. It's going to dry fast, and hopefully it's not going to fade in the sun. Perfect for that unpredictable outdoor weather over there on the porch. I love the hidden zipper, sleek, and it doesn't, you don't see it. So that's good. Versatile look. I love always the nautical, modern, or farmhouse theme, depending on what you're going to pair them with, making them easy to match for porches, patios, indoor sunrooms, you name it. The stitching, it is very nice. No loose threads, no cheap seams. The stitching does feel solid, and if I'm tugging on it, it definitely, it's not moving. It's not moving. So whether I buy these again, yes, they're stylish, they're durable, they're functional. I'm gonna have to use the steamer on these, but that's fine. And I like that they look polished, and they're an upgrade for any real outdoor seating area. Water resistant, well made, and stylish to move indoors when the patio season ends. Highly recommend.